Problem 2, identifying constraints and viable solutions. Zoo. The local zoo is filling 2 water tanks for the elephant exhibit. One water tank contains 50 gallons of water and is filled at a constant rate of 10 gallons per hour. The second tank contains 29 gallons of water and is filled at a constant rate of 3 gallons per hour. When will the 2 tanks have the same amount of water? Explain. Step 1. Write a system of equations. Let x equal the number of hours the tanks are filling, and let y equal the number of gallons in the tank. First, the equation for tank 1, y equals 10x plus 50. And for tank 2, y equals 3x plus 29. Step 2. The system is easy to solve using substitution. We'll substitute 10x plus 50 for y in the second equation and solve for x. Writing the second equation, y equals 3x plus 29, substituting 10x plus 50 for y, subtracting 3x from each side, then simplifying, subtracting 50 from each side, simplifying, dividing each side by 7, we find that x equals negative 3. Now that we found one of our variables, x equals negative 3, we will substitute that value into either of the equations to solve for y. In step 3, we'll substitute negative 3 for x in the first equation. Y equals 10 times negative 3 plus 50. Simplifying, we find y equals 20. This tells us the solution to the system is negative 320. The solution, negative 320, is not a viable solution because it's not possible to have time be negative 3 hours. So the tanks never have the same amount of water. Your turn. The zoo has 2 water tanks that are leaking. One tank contains 10 gallons of water and is leaking at a constant rate of 2 gallons per hour. The second tank contains 6 gallons of water and is leaking at a constant rate of 4 gallons per hour. When will the tanks have the same amount of water? Explain.